should have separated all of this hair into smaller pieces, and also because I was going to use a different type of hair for my crochet, I made my cornrows smaller. I was anticipating a longer, thinner curly texture, but that didn't work out. It was too silky and the loops didn't stay looped, so I decided to go with this, and this hair is big. Not that I don't love big hair, because I do, but I'm pretty much done with half of my head, and this is what it looks like. Like, this is a lot. So when I am finished, and I have to go to work, and I work in healthcare, it's a lot. Here we are. Alright, so this is the final result. There's a lot of hair. Let me scoot the camera back a little bit. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Like I said, I was a little bit worried about the fullness, only because what I had in mind was not this hair. I didn't want something as full. I wanted it to be more loose wave, you know, hang low. It was like a 20-inch pack of hair that I had, but that didn't work out because it was too silky and it didn't stay knotted in crochet form. So I switched it up and went with this. And okay, I am a fan. I'm a fan of it, but it's more Diana Ross than I was going for, considering, you know, this is going to be my work style for the next 2 weeks. But it looks hot. I will admit that. I left this over here kind of intentional. I could fill it in, but this part of my hair, my edges right here are weak, and it's shorter right there, it's thinner, and I'm not confident that it would stay. Like, if I put crochets there, I don't think it would stay very well. I feel like, you know, that kind of looks, it looks cool, you know. So yeah, let me turn. So I don't know if you can see it very well. I like hair like this just for this factor. Like when I do that, I could stand to shape it a bit, but I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna have this up for the next 2 weeks until Thanksgiving, and then I'm gonna take it out and do, I'm hoping to do rope twists. We'll see how that turns out. So that's it for this style. This is, if you are counting, or if I even posted videos, I don't even know. This is my third style in 3 weeks. I had the faux locks, and then I had the other curly crochet that was the blonde type, which that I took that out so quickly. I wore it for a week. I had intentions on wearing that hair until Thanksgiving, but it irritated my scalp so much. I did not wash that hair before installing it, and that I think might be a mistake. The hair might have just been itchy, I don't know, but I feel like because I didn't wash it, it irritated my scalp, and I could not take it. So I had to take that out, wash my hair, cleanse my scalp. Oh, it was so itchy. And then I installed this. I did wash this hair, so hopefully we won't have that issue. If we do, I'm chopping this out too. I might just switch to a wig until I put in some rope twists. But that's all for this, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!